Yeah, let's get into as in a case study. Okay. Uh, the case study. Mr. Anton is an NRI. Okay. Had a idea to develop a website devoted to fashion. Okay. Focusing on the high end accessories. Okay. This is nothing but as an Anton is an NRI person. He want to develop the fashion based on applications. Okay. He have been collaborated on the application with some stakeholders, Mr. Bhaskar and Miss Kathy and the other person. Okay. What he is expecting, okay, he is expecting regarding in the website, it should be easy to navigate. Okay. And the process of payment should be quickly. Okay. And and the Kathy is she is also having a similar application. Okay. Uh, Basically, the sales has been declined for that application. To overcome from that application, Mr. Anthony is investing, okay, on that application or improving that application. Okay. Mr. Anthony has taken the duty for improving the application. Okay. And the timeline of a project is 18 months. Okay. And the budget is 1 crore. And the what are the current problems faced by the cat? Okay. Yeah, I've been mentioned it over here. Okay. Lack of knowledge of fashion of customers. Okay. Yeah. And the way it's coming to us in a second thing is another lack of customer reach. Uh, Looking at the current problems, Mr. Anthony has teamed full on board. Okay. He has been means another thing, when he hired some people. In the case study, you can able to see over here. Okay. Uh, means an Nova Pro on-site team. Okay. It's nothing but this is a team mentioned it over here. Is a project head, and this all are the committee numbers. Okay. And when it's coming to us in a next thing, Anthony outsourced the project company name. Okay. They mentioned it over the company name over here. And the who are the delivery head, who are the project manager, and who is a senior developer. They have been mentioned it over here. For this case study, you are the BA person. Okay. Means this is totally a case study. Okay. These two papers are the case studies, 3 and the 4. Okay. You need to decode it. Okay. Decode the case study regarding the what is a project idea first. Okay. To develop a website devoted to fashion with a focus on high end apparel and accessories. Okay. He have been mentioned it over there. Okay. What are the current needs of this project? Okay. Easy to navigate and the process payment quickly. Okay. And what is an overview of the project? Okay. They want to uh, overcome from the e-commerce website from their existing to they want to recover the things what is in a last uh, happened in the what to say like is nothing but what the problems they have been faced in the past application they do not want to face right now. Okay. In an existing thing. Okay. What are the current problems of this project? Okay. uh, Decline of sales, a non-user friendly application, unable to handle the complications as a nothing but and problems are like that. Okay. Yeah. When it's next coming to us a thing, know the team. Okay. These are the team numbers. You can able to just copy paste it over here. Okay. Not only the copy paste, you need to just decode it. We have been just a simple case study. We have been given it over here. Yeah. Let us discuss regarding the answers regarding these questions. Regarding to us in a case study. Yeah. When it's coming to us in an audit. What is an audit first? Audit is nothing but an inspection of work. It may be a to check the work mainly. Okay. It may be a internal audit or may a external audit. What is an internal audit? Okay. Internal audit is nothing but in a company. Okay. Just consider like in a company. Okay. In that company, checking of work will be done by themselves. Okay. In that company only. It's a nothing but an internal audit. When it's coming towards an external audit, okay, the outside of the person, he will be coming into as into our company, or else we will be giving the documentation or the URL and the things we will be giving towards them. Okay, and they will be checking the application or the project. It's a nothing but an external audit. Okay, uh, let us discuss regarding the in this uh, how the audits may occur, how the audits template should be there. It's just a demo, guys. We have been mentioned it over here. Okay, yeah, quarterly audit report for the requirement gathering, requirement analysis, requirement design, and the development and the testing. Okay, mention nothing but we have asked you regarding the 5 quarterly audits for the project. Okay, it's a consider like an SDLC. Okay, software development life cycle. It's an first come to us in a requirement gathering. Okay, requirement gathering, requirement analysis, design, development, and the testing. Okay, these are the things. The audit may occur for the BA. Mainly, it will be occurring to us in a externally only, mainly by the mails only. Because for the BA, no one will be having any clarity in the project. Okay, if the client what he says, we are ready to decode that case study or nothing but a decode the project, and we will be preparing the documentation part. You will be getting a clear cut idea after completion of this capstone projects. Okay, these are the audits may occur for the B. Okay, for the 10, when it's coming to us in a requirement gathering, 10 weeks. Okay, and 1 to 10, 10 weeks, BRD document, elicitation report, and the duplicate requirement report. Okay, these are the things. These are just a templates. You need to follow this. Okay, uh, what is an a BA approach strategy? Let us discuss regarding the BA approach strategy. I will be explaining you regarding the SDLC first. SDLC is nothing but a software development lifecycle. We will be having several phases. Okay. In the first phase is a nothing but a requirement gathering. Okay. For the requirement gathering, what the BA will be doing. Okay. He will be by using the elicitation techniques, he will be gathering the requirements. Okay. It's a nothing but here you can able to see elicitation techniques to apply. Okay, brainstorming, document analysis, reverse engineering, and the focus groups and the observation. These are the elicitation techniques. Okay, after that, what the BA will be doing, he will be preparing the documents like an BRD, FRD, and the test case template. He will be just preparing the test case template. Okay, in the testers will be working on it. Okay, in the presence of BA. Okay, they will be preparing the test case document. The test case document is prepared by the testers mainly. Okay, and after that you will be giving a support towards a design team, development team, and the testing team, and you will be involving at the UAT. Okay, yeah. How to identify the stakeholders? Okay. To identify the stakeholders, we will be using a RACI matrix. Okay. RACI stands for the responsible, accountable, consultant, and the informed. Okay. Based on the roles and responsibilities, we will be assigning to us and they are responsible or the accountable or consultant or the informed. Okay. The basically when it's coming to us in a real-time scenario, right? They will be conducting a meeting over there and they will be finalizing according towards their roles. And these are the documents prepared by the BE. Yeah. Means how to sign off from the documentation part. Okay. Yeah, when it's coming to us and how to sign off from the documentation part, right? Means I told you, right? The for the BA, it will be happen to us an externally only. Okay, means he will be just giving a sign off from the SR taken by the SRS document or the important documents. Okay, he will be just giving a mail to us and a client. Okay, if a client gives an approval, you will be signing off it. Okay, when the documentation is ready. Okay, how to take an approval from client. Okay, means by conducting a formal meeting, or else you can able to send like an mails towards them, And here I've been mentioned it over there in a formal way. Yeah, when it's coming to us in a communication channels, what communication channels established to implement, okay, regular meetings or the weekly meetings or the by sprint review meetings. Sprint is nothing but the duration, okay, means in a duration meetings. It's another by means in a 6 months or as in a like that you can able to consider, or monthly stakeholder updates. Okay, these are the communication what you will be doing it over there. Okay, and when it's coming to how to handle the change request. Okay, the change request also should be accepted by the B. Okay, means nothing but a change request form, do impact analysis, approvals process, and the documentation part. Yeah, when it's coming to how to update the progress of project to stakeholders, means how we will be updating regarding the review, means in a weekly status report or monthly status review. Okay, we will be just upload by conducting a meeting, or we'll be doing, or else by sending to us in a mails mainly. Okay, how to take sign off from the UAT. Okay, means report has been um, you have prepared the documentation part. Okay, and you will be giving a support towards a design team, development team, and the testing team. Okay, and after that you will be involving in the UAT. UAT is nothing but a user acceptance testing. Okay, where you will be testing the total application. Okay, not only you. Okay, it's totally depends on the high level management in the companies. They will be testing this application mainly. You will be pakka involved in the UAT. Okay, yeah, when it's coming to us in a UAT preparation, and conducting a UAT, fix issues, acceptance form, and final review meeting, and the obtaining sign off. Okay, what you will be doing, you will be preparing for the UAT preparation, means by using an RTM document you will be preparing this thing. Okay, and regarding the RTM document you will be getting a clear cut idea in the one part 3. Okay, you do not need to confuse, just get like an overview. Okay, yeah, when it's conduct UAT. Okay, you will be preparing from the UAT, and you will be conducting the UAT. Okay, and the what the mistakes they are done in the application. Okay, the issues will be cleared, fix the issues. Okay, and the next acceptance form, means it's another thing, bugs all are cleared. You will be having a template. Okay, it's nothing but an acceptance form. You will be just accepting that form, and you will be sending to us in a mail to us in a companies, like an a product of an owner. Okay, if you do this thing right, they will be giving an acceptance form, or else nothing but like an a they will be giving an approve or the things like that. Okay, by you attaching this acceptance form. Okay, we will be doing this thing, and the final review meeting. Okay, it will be happening for the every completion of the UAT. Okay, means and during the UAT also it will be happening. Okay, and you can able to sign off by using this thing like that. This is regarding the total regarding the BA approach strategy. Okay, yeah. Let us explain regarding the three-tier architecture. Okay, what is a three-tier? Three-tier stands for the three tiers. We can able to see here, right? Client tier, logic layer, business logic layer, and database layer. Okay, here we have been used. Client layer is also called as application layer or the presentation layer. Okay, yeah, when it's coming to us in a presentation layer. Okay, it's a nothing but an a UI. Okay, total UI. It's an such as we have been mentioned it over here, like screens and pages. Okay, consider like example, take an e-commerce website. Not only the e-commerce website, any application you can able to take it over here. What you can able to see the user interface is a nothing but an homes, pages, and the login functionality. You can able to see the only pages, right? That pages are called as presentation layer. Okay, when it's coming to us in a business logic layer. Okay, it's in a middle layer of an architecture, of a three-tier architecture. Okay, it's in a nothing but here. Here is this logic is developed by developers. Okay, uh, they will be writing the coding part. Okay, the coding part is nothing but a business logic layer. Okay, they will be deploying as a nothing but they will be releasing into as a state phases as a nothing but the uh, we'll be having a phases mainly as a nothing but a requirement phase, design phase, and the development phase and the testing phase, right? Like that, we will be having a phase over here. The business logic layer will be uh, deployed in a phase. Is an in that phase is nothing but a database layer, as a nothing but a database layer. Okay, where they will be using this database layer to store the data. Okay, and retrieve the data. Okay, it's a nothing but a totally database, guys. Yeah. Okay. Okay, you can able to see over here. Okay, middle layer. You have been take presentation layer and the data storage layer. It's in a middle point of thing. They have been mentioned it over. Okay, this is in a presentation layer, guys. Client tier and this database tier. It is in middle of them. Okay, they have been told in that way. Okay, in over here. And what the logic of an application will be developed over here. Okay, like in a example, we have been given like in a printer and the payment gateways. Uh, Nothing but the take like an application, just enter something. Okay, if you are entering something, the logic has been given by the developers to write the things. Okay, means an a printer is an a application is a nothing but you will be just printing the some document in the computer. If you click on print, okay, your print will be coming out. The printer is an example for over here. Okay, for the implementation of the logic. Okay, what the logic we are getting, that's it. Okay, uh, what is as a database layer I have been explained over you regarding it is responsible for the storing the data and retrieving the data. I told you by using the MySQL or Oracle database. Okay, this is regarding the three-tier architecture. Okay, yeah. Let us discuss regarding the approach strategy for framing questions. Okay, what are the uh, strategies to frame the questions in the project mainly? Okay, yeah. Let's just get regarding the 5W1S technique. Okay, 5W1S technique is nothing but the who, what, when, where, why, and how. Okay. When it's coming to us and a who are the initiation of this project? What is this project is regarding? When we need to deliver this project? Where we need to get the resources? Why we need to complete this project in this entire time? Okay. How means how many days we need to complete? You need to just using this technique. You will be gathering the requirements in the elicitation techniques, framing questions. Okay, by using these questions only, you will be gathering the requirements mainly. Okay, this is regarding the SMART technique. Is nothing but a specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and the time bomb. Okay, here it's a specific thing. For the specific content, you will be asking towards a client. Means a measurable. Measurable is nothing but how much time it will be taking. Attainable in the how much time you will be attaining this topic. Okay, when it's coming towards an relevant means that how much it is relevant to our project, and when it's coming towards an a time on is there nothing but how much time we need to complete this project, like that. Just get like an overview regarding this smart metric. Okay, and when it's coming towards an a RECI matrix, RECI stands for the nothing but an responsible, accountable, consultant, and informed. According to us, in a roles on responsibilities, they will be clarifying these things in the companies. Okay, with the help of roles and responsibilities, we have been mentioned it over here. Okay, and when it's coming to us in a UML, UML is nothing but a unified modeling language. Okay, it's nothing but you will be drawing a visualization data. Okay, is nothing but by using the use case diagram at activity diagrams. I will be explaining you regarding this UML in the next slides. Yeah, when it's coming towards an elicitation techniques. Okay, what is an elicitation technique first? Elicitation technique is nothing but it's nothing but an way of gathering the requirements. Okay, the way of gathering the requirements by using several techniques. Okay, the techniques are nothing but brainstorming and the document analysis and the reverse engineering, focus groups, observation, workshops, and the chat and the interviews and the prototype and the questionnaire technique and the use case specification. Okay, regarding this use case specification, we will be discussing depth in the upcoming slides. Okay. Okay. When it's coming to us in a fifth and sixth question, the difference is a nothing. You need in the fifth question, you need to answer this all this elicitation techniques. Okay. When it's coming to us in a sixth question, the what the elicitation techniques you have been used in this project, and you need to give a justification. Okay. Justify your option. Okay, in this sixth question. Okay. Yeah, when it's coming to us in a business requirements and the assumptions. Okay, I will be clarifying what is in a difference mean. 1 minute, guys. Okay, let us discuss regarding the what is in a business requirement and the assumptions. Okay, uh, first consider regarding the assumptions first. Assumptions are nothing but what the client is telling to you. Okay, without any proof, you will be accepting the things. Is nothing but an assumptions. Like just consider like an assumption is nothing but what I am the client, you are the BA. Okay, means what the content I am telling towards you, you will be assuming it as an assumptions only, because I will be explaining you. Yeah, basically consider like an application, e-commerce application, where I want to add something. You need to have a registration page and the login page and the manufacturers or the things e-commerce website third party stakeholders or the things they need to add the products in the in your application. And okay, and they need to do the payments and they need to get a reflection in their application also. Means what the content I'm telling you, right, it's totally an assumptions. Okay, without any proof you are accepting the things, you are just noting on the futures mainly. Okay, when it coming to us in a business requirements, okay, is there nothing but you will be accepting within a like a type of proof, but it's not a proof. Okay, just consider like a registration. Okay, registration you need to do, it's an assumption you just consider. When it coming to us in a business requirement, right, you will be having a clear cut idea. Okay, like nothing but I will be just telling you the registration, you will be developing a registration. It is not possible, right? You need to say like the thing, what the attributes are nothing but values, fields. Okay, the fields, what field should it should be there, you will be telling over towards them. Okay, means I am the person, I will be telling you to what the futures it should be there. Okay, this is regarding the uh, business requirements. Okay, minimum maintain the 10 business requirements. Okay, specific need and the conditions. Okay, this is the thing we have been mentioned it over here. Okay, when it's coming to assumptions, I what I told you, the totally it has been mentioned it over here. Minimum uh, according to us in a project, minimum right four. Okay, four assumptions. uh, let's get into us in a uh, project requirement priority. Okay, what is a priority first? Priority is a nothing but an impact, impact on the business, impact on the business requirement. Okay, means I will be telling you with an example. um, Business is there, the business, uh, how it is downfalling, the importance given to us anything. Okay, means just consider like a t-shirt. Okay, my business is regarding the t-shirts. t-shirts company. Okay, I will be giving the quality is low, but I am giving the price is high. Okay, at that moment what happens? uh, Anyone will be buying that t-shirt? No, right? Means they will be looking it was in a quality also. If I decrease the amount, nothing but I will be decreasing that price. What happens? They will be buying it things. Is there nothing but an impact on the business? Is nothing but a priority. When it coming towards an our thing project, it's nothing but an impact on the business requirement. Okay, yeah, let us discuss regarding this thing. Yeah, when it's coming to us in a, we have been mentioned it over here. User search for products. Okay, user should be able to search the products available. Okay, means in a priority I have given here three. Okay, the basically this three is given by the yourself. Okay, means in a 1 to 10, means in a, if it is should do, means I will be explaining regarding the Moscow techniques first. Okay, Moscow technique is nothing but a must do, should do, could do, could do. Okay. Means nothing but a must do. You will be giving around 8 to 10 points. And the rest of the things you will be, according to you, you will be designing the things. Okay. Just to go regarding the few, how much the numbering you should be able to give. You need to specify in the format of Moscow techniques. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. When it's next coming to us in a use case diagram. What is a use case? Mainly, the use case diagram is nothing but an UML. It's a virtual representation. Okay, it's a type. Just consider like that. Okay, when it's coming to us it is an interaction between the users and the system. Is a nothing but a use case. Means the users are the nothing but a primary users and the external users. Okay, secondary users. You can able to see like that. Okay. Uh, Means first you can able to see here the box over here, right? This box is called as a system boundary. Okay, when it coming towards a left side, customers, registered customers, web customers, we will be totally calling them as primary actors. Okay, just consider when it's coming towards an year, the PayPal credit payment service, identify providers, and the service authorization. These are the secondary actors. Just consider. Okay. Means nothing but who is a primary actor. Okay. What is a view items? These are nothing but the use cases. Nothing but a functionality, features. Okay. When it's come example, I will be giving you. Consider like an application. Okay. In the application, registration is a feature, is nothing but a functionality, is nothing but a use case. And when it's coming to us in a next thing, login is in a functionality, and the search product is in a functionality. This all the features are nothing but a functionality, guys. Nothing but a use cases. We will be having two types of use cases mainly. Okay. Uh, uh, 1 minute, guys. We will be having two types of use cases: essential use case, supporting use cases. Essential is nothing but a registration. Okay, just consider regarding the registration. When it's coming to us in a supporting use cases, nothing but an attributes, nothing but an values, fields. Okay, registration is a thing. Okay, is an essential use case. When it coming to us in a supporting, right? Name, password, user ID, these are the supporting use cases. Okay. We will be using an include and extend. Okay. For the include mandatory things, we will be using an include. When it's coming to us an extend, we will be using an optional things, unmandatory things. The optional things and the mandatory things will be told by the client to us. Okay. And when it's coming to us, next thing you need to know regarding the generalization. What is a generalization? The generalization is nothing but the mm, you need to achieve one functionality mainly consider. Okay, like you need to book a order. Okay, you need to book a order. You will be having several methods. Nothing but like at coming towards a making payment. Consider. Okay, for making payment, the what the things you will be having. You will be having a COD, cash on delivery, credit card, debit card, and the net banking, and several things you will be having the things over there. Okay, here to achieve that functionality, you will be having a multiple methods. Okay, but you need to only select the one thing only. Okay, to achieve that functionality. Okay, uh, this is regarding the generalization. Take your own examples. Okay, and this is totally regarding the use case diagram. Okay, and I missed with one point regarding the inheritance. Okay, inheritance is nothing but the acquiring the properties. Okay, means just consider like your father and you. Okay, what the your father having the qualities, you also having some qualities, right? And you will be having some extra qualities also, better qualities. Okay, just consider like here over here. Here we have been mentioned regarding the registered user. Okay, registered and the web user and the new user. Okay, he can able to have the what the features he registered user have. The new user use also will be having the same features, same access. Okay, is at that moment we will be giving the inherits okay over here. Okay, towards them. Okay, and I forgot to tell regarding the association line. Association is nothing but a communication line. Okay, it will be the primary actor. He will be interacting with how many use cases. What the functionality he will be interacting by using the thing communication line. I will be giving the line over here. Only I will be giving towards an essential use case only, not for the supporting use case. Okay, and when it's coming towards a use case specification document. Okay, yeah, when it's coming towards a use case specification document, right? uh, by using this thing, they will be drawing the UML diagrams. Okay, is a nothing but by using this document is prepared by you. Okay, the client will be telling you regarding this total description. Okay, and you will be drawing this diagram. Hmm? What the data will be contained, what the template it contains. Okay, I will be telling you. It's a use case ID and the use case name. Use case name is nothing but a functionality name, nothing but a feature name. Okay, who created this one, and what is a start date and the end date, and who are the actors. Okay, and the description regarding the thing. What is a precondition and the post condition? Yeah, what is a precondition? Okay, yeah, what is a precondition? I will be explaining you with an example for our general things. Okay, to get a clear idea. Just consider like a coffee. Okay, to prepare a coffee, the what the things you will be doing at the initial. Okay, is a nothing but an preconditions. Okay, is a nothing but an you will be oning the stove. Okay, first to start the thing. Okay, you will be oning the stove and you will be pouring water. Nothing coffee. I told you right. Means you will be oning the stove and you will be pouring the what to say that milk in the bowl. Okay, and you will be eating the thing, eating that to say that bowl. Okay, you are eating that bowl before the things the what the thing you required to do the things is a nothing but a precondition. Okay, when the you are working the thing, right, working on it means nothing but you are oning the stove and you are pouring the milk and you are uh, oning the stove and you are boiling the milk, right, is a nothing but the existing functionality. When it's coming to us in a post condition, Post is nothing but then you got a coffee, means you will be taking then a brew packet and you will be pouring in the cup, and you will be pouring that milk also, and you will be mixing a thing and you will be drinking. Okay, this is a nothing but a post condition. Okay, to prepare a coffee, just I given you the example. When it's coming towards an application, right? uh, just consider like a registration. Okay, to register the what things you need to do, means you need to launch the URL and you need to check the URL is present or not. You will be looking into as an internet connectivity. It is comes under the pre-condition. Okay. When it's coming to as an a post condition, as a nothing but you do not need to include regarding the existing functionality. Nothing but a registration thing. Okay. After the registration, the what happens? It will be moved towards a desired page, or else it will be moved towards a login page again. It's a nothing but a post condition. Okay. Yeah, when it coming towards an next is normal flow and a alternative flow. Okay. When it coming towards a normal flow, right? Means by register, you want to log in into as an application. Okay. You will be logging with an ID and the password. It's a normal flow. When it coming towards an alternative flow, you want to log in into as an application. Okay. Means you can able to log in through as an a Google, Facebook, Instagram, and the things. These are nothing but an alternative flows for the use case. When it's coming to us an exceptional is nothing but it's an optional thing. You can able to uh, get into as an application. You can able to register like that. Okay. Regarding this use case specification document, right? Go towards a workbook. You will be getting a clear cut idea. Okay. And the last thing I need to explain regarding the activity diagram. Okay. Uh, when it's coming towards an activity diagram, guys, for the system perspective, we will be drawing these diagrams. Okay. Here we have been mentioned it over represents the flow of an activities within the system. Okay. Okay. Let us discuss regarding the what the topics we will be discussing in these things. Okay. Uh, I will be for the registration. We will be using in a decision box, guys. Okay. Decision box is nothing but a validation. Okay. Whether we can able to validate or not is a nothing but an yes or no. If you're log in with your credentials, okay, log in with a valid credentials, you will be moving towards a desired page. When you are logging with a wrong page, wrong number, or else a wrong thing, okay, you will be getting an error messages, okay, by using the decision box. Okay. Yeah, when it's coming towards an such products, you can able to use an branch and merge, guys. Okay. The branch and merge is nothing but a connectors. Okay. Which is used to connect the things. Okay. And when it's coming to us an uh, add products also, you can able to use this connector only. Okay. Yeah. When it coming to us an make payment, you can able to use an connectors mainly. And when it's coming to us in a delivery, you can use here the fork and join. What is an a fork? What is an a join? Why the fork and join are used? Fork and join is used to parallel activities happened at once. Okay. Means nothing but just consider after the payment, what happened? After the payment, you can able to see regarding the thing. You will be getting an SMS, mail, and the next thing regarding that app tracking activity at once. Okay. Means nothing but if you are initiating some action, right? The parallelly the thing is happening. Dependencies are fletching. Okay. At that moment, you will be using a fork and join. Okay. Uh, this is regarding totally regarding the activity diagram. You need to minimum, please repeat, prepare 5 activity diagrams for this thing. Okay. For this question, you need to prepare it. Refer to us on a workbook and the COPD YouTube channel. Okay, we have been explained regarding the tools. Okay, this totally regarding these tools. Regarding to us in a 10th question and the 11th question and 12th question, you need to look into it in the tools channel, right? You will be getting a clear cut idea.